Hare Krishna, the Union Budget 2023 is out. Today at 11 a.m., Nirmala Sitharaman, the Finance Minister of the country, had presented the Union Budget of this year. Let's see some of the key highlights. The fiscal deficit stays below 6%, precisely 5.9%. That is good. And it is estimated to be at around 4.5% till the year 2025. Okay, the capital expenditure has crossed the mark of 10 lakh crore, which is a big number, which was at around 3 lakh crores in the year 2019. The capital expenditure has increased. There will be more savings for the people because of the new tax regime. Up to 7 lakhs, you don't have to pay any tax to the government. And because of this, you have more money to spend. The expenditure power of the people will increase, and which will help in the economy, which will help in boosting the GDP of the country. One wrong thing or one bad thing happened, that there is no changes in the old regime of tax. Economic growth of the country is estimated to be around 6.5%, which was earlier used to be at 7% previous financial year. This year estimation is 6.5, and coming years more or less it would be around 6%. Now let's talk about the good news, the positive news for all the middle class people, for all the salaried people. Up to 7 lakhs, you don't have to pay a single penny to the government. The income tax will be zero up to 7 lakh of annual income. It's a good news, happy news for all the middle class people who are doing job, who are salaried. Okay, which was earlier used to be at 5 lakhs in both the regimes, old one and new one. This year there are many revisions in the tax rates and the slabs. Earlier there were 6 slabs. This year, from this year onwards, there will be only 5 slabs. Okay, the new tax rates are from 0 to 3 lakhs, there will be no deduction. From 3 to 6, 5%, 6 to 9, 10%, 9 to 12, 15%, 12 to 15 is 20%, and 15 lakhs and more, 30%. This is the new tax rate reductions. Okay, but sad news is that there is no changes in the old regime. Those people who were anticipating that there will be some relaxation, there will be more deductions, exemptions in the tax, so that is a sad news for them. There is no changes or very few changes in the old regime. Whatever the tax is getting calculated previously, the same calculation happens in this year also. There is no relaxation. Let's say your income is 9 lakhs, and according to the new tax regime, you have to pay only 45,000 as tax, which is around 5% of your total income, and which was earlier used to be at 60,000. Now it is 25% less. Let's say I'll give you an example of, if you are having the income of 15 lakhs, then according to this new tax regime, your income tax will be 1.5 lakhs. That is 10% of your total income, which was earlier at 1.87 lakhs. Now you will have a benefit of 20%. Okay, these are the benefits of the new tax regime. But on the other side, there are no relaxation in the ATC, ATD. There are some increase in the limits of the standard deductions. Earlier it was 50,000. Now they have increased the limit to 52,500. But that is a marginal change. No much difference as compared to previous tax rates. Okay, now let's see some of the more points. The leave encashment, the limit was 3 lakhs. Now it has been shifted to 25 lakhs. Now you can exempt the tax of up to 25 lakhs when it comes to leave encashment. Okay, the highest surcharges was 37.5%. Now it has been shifted or revised to 25%. The standard deductions of salaried or pensioners have been increased to 52,500, which was earlier 50,000. Okay, and also the total exemption limit of the taxes is made 3 lakhs. So that is a benefit. Okay, now let's talk about the allocation of the budget sector wise. The highest allocation is done to the defense sector as anticipated. It's around 5.95 lakh crores. The second was transportation and highways, around 2.74 lakh crores, and third was railways. It used to be at around 40,000 crores. Now it has been shifted to 2.5 lakh crores. That is massive. Okay, so overall it's a good budget for people who are opting for new regime, who comes under the bracket of 7 lakhs. That is good for them. There will be no tax deductions, but sad for the people like us who opts the old regime for our tax exemptions, but there is no relaxation. People were eyeing to have more ATC limit of, but that was 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. Still it is 1.5 lakh. There is no relaxation or increase in the limit. Overall, it's a good budget for the people who are under that range, but sad for the people who are not in that range and who are opting that old regime. Okay, this is the union budget. Highlight some of the key factors just I shared to you. See you with another video. Till that time, Hare Krishna, love you, bye bye, and stay happy.